If you're watching this video, chances are you're not just browsing. You're probably here because you searched something like Clickly Lifetime Review, or Is Clickly Worth It, which usually means one thing. You're close to making a decision, but you don't want to waste money on another tool that sounds good on the sales page and disappoints later. And honestly, that's fair. Most tools today promise automation, traffic, and easy results. But what they actually deliver is complexity, dashboards you never use, and features that sound impressive but don't move the needle. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through Clickly Lifetime exactly as it is. What it does well, who it's actually built for, who should avoid it, and what realistic results look like if you start using it today. No hype, no get-rich-quick nonsense. Just clarity. What problem Clickly is trying to solve? Let's start with the real problem most people face. Traffic is expensive. Ads are getting harder. And content alone doesn't convert unless you're doing something smart behind the scenes. Most beginners struggle because they don't know where visitors click. They can't track what actually converts. They don't optimize links, buttons, or pages properly. And they end up guessing instead of improving. Professionals and marketers face a different issue. Too many tools doing one small thing. Monthly subscriptions stacking up. Data spread across platforms. Slow decision-making because insights aren't clear. Clickly is built to fix that exact gap. Clickly is a conversion tracking and optimization platform. In plain English, it helps you see how people interact with your links, pages, and funnels, and then improve those interactions to get better results, without needing advanced technical skills. Who Clickly is for? Clickly is a strong fit if you are a beginner building your first funnel or website, an affiliate marketer promoting links, a business owner running landing pages, a content creator sending traffic from YouTube, Instagram, or blogs, a marketer who wants better conversion data without complexity. Who Clickly is not for? Let's be honest here. Clickly is not for people looking for instant money without effort. Someone who doesn't plan to send any traffic. Users who already have a complex enterprise analytics stack and don't want to change. Anyone who hates checking data or making improvements. Core features right pointing arrow real benefits. Instead of listing features like a brochure, let's translate them into outcomes. Realistic results timeline. First 7 days. Setup, tracking, understanding your data. 30 days. You start spotting patterns and making improvements. 90 days. Optimized links, better conversions, clearer strategy. Final verdict. Clickly Lifetime isn't a shiny object. It's a foundation tool. If you're serious about improving conversions, understanding your audience, and building something sustainable, this is worth considering.